Hey, good morning. Good morning. My name is Moe G. I'm a trader with TWA, which is Trading with Adam. And this is the first live of this channel. Um, yeah, so what you're going to see today, first thing I'm going to go over is the going to go over my game plan. Then I'm going to show you guys my trigger charts, and you're going to be trading with me. Um, I am a member and lead trader with Trading with Adam Discord. I'll put all that information into the bio down below. Uh, now, let's, let's get started. First thing I'm going to go over is my game plan. So this is the game plan I make every day, a new one every day. So the green line here is basically any level that I have below this green line. Um, this is the directions. I'm going to long on the stall or short on the break. Um, as you can see here, yes, we broke below. The purple lines are what I consider possible lows and highs of the day. See how we just slingshot back up? Let's see. Let's see if this level gets respected or we shoot up to here. Anything above the red line, I short on stall and long on break. So, for example, if price gets up here, doesn't break through, then I would look for shorts. If it does break through, look for a retest and then go long. So that is um, my game plan. I use that with other levels. All this can be learned in Trading with Adam mentorship and can help you, like me, become a better, more effective trader. So now I am going to put on my setup on the chart here. This is what we're going to see most often. So here, I'm going to name all these. Again, if you want more information, I'll have it in my bio where you can go to see my setup. I have videos that actually outline, go over every single one, and they're updated as I update my setup chart. So up here this is called the TPO. Um, yeah, TPO candle coloring. I don't have it as a candle coloring. I have it as a bar up here. What does this mean? Very quickly, red bears are in charge. Um, hold on. When it's red to gray, that's a bullish sign. Yellow means chop, and green means the bulls are in charge. This next here is called the IVD, very similar to TPO, but those work in tandem. So if they're both red, look for price to come down. If they both click off the gray, look for price to come up. If they're both green, we're going to probably the probability says we're going to be trending. This is the probability oscillator. Um, it's very simple. Red probabilities is it'll come down. Red to purple usually means bears have weakness, and you have green, the bulls are in charge. This line here is called the plot line. When that crosses, very bullish sign. And when it's underneath, very bearish sign. These here are called Evans lines. These are like I use these as more of triggers. This is a 15-second. This is a 30-second. When they match, and think of it this way: when most is green, enter long, most is red, enter short. And then this is a surge. This helps me read volume. And this is a strength and direction oscillator. Again, just helps me see um, who's winning the direction battle. Okay, so as of right now, so for example, oh, you're also going to see a blue button or a purple button or a blue sell, sorry, a blue buy or a purple sell. Those are the that trade advisor, this one, trade advisor entry specialist. Um, again, if you go on to our Discord, you will get plenty of information on that. Um, so. without further ado, I'm gonna put some music in the background and get started. Okay. I like to trade to some relaxing music because for me, my set is everything. Right now, it is 9:27. Um, and let's get ready for the long. We also have a Discord live that is trading right now. And if you want to join the Discord, you can see other top traders, how they use their setups and everything else. Let me just pop on that real quick. Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Everything's going well. Getting ready for this open. I'm doing a live test for YouTube today. So if you later, I'm gonna, you guys can check it out, see how it works. Um, but you're in great hands. Cloud's gonna show his screen today, and if you have any questions or anything, this is the perfect place to uh, get more in-depth information on anything in indicators or mentorship wise. So I'll be on the call whenever you want. I don't make the schedule. The big guy makes the schedule. I don't know who. Yeah, the big guy. Yeah, he didn't say anything to me either. I just do this on my own. I literally just do. I do what I want and I say what I want. And like right now, this is what's happening. Exactly, exactly. See, this is what happens when you get like when you are in it somebody else's Discord. You blame it on the big guy. That's all. His fault. Yeah, yeah. So on my chart now, I mean, a beautiful long setup just happened. I was not in it. From the purple small extra cheap box. It looked really looked nice and pretty on my chart, but I was too busy eating breakfast. What could I say? All right, let's see. We got 2 seconds and we are open. Let's see what New York wants to do. Any takers? Anybody want to guess? They get educated. Let's see. Price bounced off my possible low area again. Let's see if it breaks. If it breaks this area, I'll be looking long. If it stalls here, I'll be looking for a short. I have a zone from 530 up to 5, what is that? 550? Yeah, no, 560. So basically, we're playing the same area we did yesterday. Oh, that's why. Ooh, okay. 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 That's interesting. All right. Let's see. How's the stream doing? I think it's doing good. So if anybody wants to see my chart, you can go to Moe G Trades on YouTube. And actually, if you can help me out and test out the chat, that'll be awesome. I just want to see if everything works. I'll put it in the, yeah, I'll send you a link. Okay, let's see. Right now, okay, I have IVDs turning green. It'll close in about 10 seconds on the 1 minute. Let's see. This here, I don't want to see that. No, that's the name of the game. See, yeah, I can see a short developing, but it's just not time yet. Yeah, nice. Okay, that works. All right, let's see. Let's see. All right, the probability oscillator is green, but the hot line is red. So if that crosses green, that's a good indication. See, what do I see on my setup here? Okay, I got the level check. Back, background's turning green, which is this bar right here. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, do you, yeah. If you guys want, I can share my chart here too. Yeah. I'll include that. Yeah, I dropped the YouTube link in the trade talk. So if anybody can, I would really love it if you could test out the comment section when you can. When you can, remember trading first, all other things second. Trading's first. Trading's first. Stream is secondary. Trading first. Keep our mindset right. Let's look for these opportunities. I mean, I set up this whole system for trading first, streaming second. So, oh, great. Thank you. All right. Man, that's you get if you guys were in this Discord, you would hear all these lead traders giving excellent insights to help you with your trading. I mean, that's the power of our Discord, man. Like we got traders with all different experience, different sizes, trade everything, giving insights. All it does is just help me personally get better. And if you're in it, it can help you too. All right, let's see. Anyone else liking longs? Anyone else agreeing with me about the long? Yes. Let's see. Oh, let's go. Oh, Cloud, are you in this? Anybody in this? Not yet? You know. Oh, oh, look. All right, I gotta get in this. Hold on a second. I gotta find a good opportunity. It's right. I don't like that. Let me see. Let me move this back. Oh, okay, yeah. All right, let's see what we got. All right, if this touches my zone again, I'm going in. Okay, so why haven't I gotten this long? The Discord is definitely feeling long. I agree with that sentiment. Now, why haven't I gotten in yet, right? Well, let's see. One thing that's giving me pause is one, this is a lot of bullish pushing that's happened here. Okay, that's one. I like it where if you look back, you see it like this. You get a bullish push and then bearish push and then back to bullish. That's ideally, that's what I like to see. I don't like entering in when it's clicking back and forth because the likelihood, the probability of getting wicked out sooner is high. What I do like though, okay, there's two sides to everything. So is you see how here it went from red to pink. I see how I look. This here is my perfect is what I like to see. Yes, I know this is still red, but to take a chance at a really cheap area, I would take this. Okay, so let's keep going here. I like the fact that this is now turning green. That's a bullish sign. The candles are green. Okay, that means the bulls are pushing ahead or winning right now. Um, however, because of this huge bullish push that we've had since before open, it's giving me pause. So as an experienced trader, when I see that something gives me pause, I don't need to rush in. I have to wait for it to what I call recycle, meaning recycle back to my setup. Now, why? Why would I do that? For me, the real entry was here or here. Okay. In this area here, I'll circle it. This was my ideal entry area here in this area here. So I missed it. So this is just a continuation of this move. So I'm going to wait until either this pulls back a little bit to get ahead or if something were to change in any of these indicators. So you know what? Today's going to probably be a waiting day. Um, Nothing is missed. Remember, the market is very long, right? Um, and it's only been the first 15 minutes. So nothing was, there's multiple opportunities in any market you trade. So just keep that in mind. Okay, let's see. Let's see how we are doing. Let's check this. Check the studio. So far, it looks good. Let's see how we do. All right, let's see where we are. What's happening on the Discord? How are we looking? Still looking good. Yeah, I'm ooh. Ooh. Let's see. See what it wants to do. Yeah, now I'm looking. Yep. Setting up. Setting up. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Who's risk free? Nice. Nice. Yes, I might take some little points on the short. Let's see what it wants to do. Let me look at let me look left. What do we have in the way here? Ooh, got everything in the way. Okay. Well, for me, one, it's right at my game plan level. Okay, two, we just had a huge bullish surge, right? Three, uh, mentorship averages are in order. So I'm interested to see if this level holds. That'll negate my short look, and then I'll be looking long. Maybe this was the little breath of fresh air. Um, um, yeah. So again, on the Discord, you're getting some great information, some great insights, giving me more reason to just wait, just to see what happens. This is what's trading about. It's about waiting. Sometimes you just gotta wait. Things look great. Yeah, you can catch a quick move here and there. But here I'm trying to look for something that's gonna run. I'm looking for a runner today. See if we can get it. That's a nice push down right now. Oh, wait, did we get a sell button? We did. Oh, man. Oh, man. Am I willing to take a risk on this? Let's see what it does here. If it gets past this area, this green line, I'm gonna go short. Yeah, you see how it kind of pushed up here? That was expected. This clicked off. Okay, that's a bear sign. That's a bear sign. I have a funny feeling we want to go down back to here, test that low again. Let's see. Let's see if I'm right. Let's check in on the Discord. All right. So let's see. See? Sometimes just gotta wait. What may look good 1 minute Looks like garbage in the next. I would really love to see a red surge build up here before 10. That would be awesome. What is that? That's it. 50 points. Wow. Yeah, so right now I'm just looking at the chart. You're looking at what I'm looking at, and just literally waiting. Literally waiting for my setup to appear again. Good things about these setups is that they come around 4 or 5 times in the New York session. And the the trick that I've been working on is minimizing those 4, 5, 6 possible entries into maybe three, two or three. I would love it. Four, between 4 and 5 is kind of where I average right now. And when I average higher than 5, it's usually because I'm not seeing the direction very well. When I see the direction well, it's I can get it down to 3, 4. And it's usually in the morning when it first starts. It's hard to, um, especially if there's not much action in the open. And I think there's news today. Let's check this out. Do we have news today? Let's see. Let's see what kind of news we have today. Push this over here a second. All right, so let's see now what kind of news we have today. Is that calendar? There it is. All right, let's see about the calendar. All right, so for today, we actually have. Oh, we had news at 8:30, and yeah, so we had news at 8:30, but nothing really happened. That's for Canada. The US, I don't think we have any news today. What about tomorrow? Tomorrow in the US, not much. How about the 21st? Unemployment. Okay. Yeah, so not a huge news day. Let's see what happens here. Okay, let's go back to the chart. Okay, sure this. Okay. All right, if you see this top bar turn yellow here, then it's going to be a chop, and this is going to be a short first live because you'll just see price literally hit back and forth. Let's see. Let's see. So, this trading is a patience game. That's really, I think, one of the fundamental things that's helped my trading um, get more consistent. Um, and I don't brag. I don't brag on what my P&Ls are or anything. Um, I do pride myself on trying to be as consistent as possible, trying to reduce the red days as much as possible. That's kind of where my mindset is. Um, yeah, to be honest, it's because if I focus on P&L too much, I get itchy and I my decision making goes down the tubes. But when I focus on the process, which is harder to do than how it sounds, um, I've actually seen results. I even just take the recent 50 days. I've seen better results in the 50 days than I've had before because I focused more on the process than just either passing an eval or getting a payout. So I had to do a little mind shift on that. And the way I use these indicators is like you've been hearing me, oh, should I, this will be a good opportunity here or there. But nothing on my screen is telling me at this moment, this is a good opportunity to take a long, take a short. And it's literally just giving mixed signals. When I see mixed signals, that does not help my decision making. And therefore, I just wait. I wait for the signals to make sense to me. And this is hard because like my hand, like this is why you'll see me fold my hands or rub my face or something. It's just nervous ticks because you're human. You want to get into a trade. You want to, you know, obviously everybody wants to make money. You'd be foolish to be in this game just to for the fun of it. No, you want to make money. But what I'm learning uh, through experience is to make money, you got to be patient. You got to trade what's on your chart and be as patient as possible. That's why I like the mentorship so much. I like talking to all the traders, all the lead traders we have, because lead traders, new traders, everybody, because everybody brings a perspective to trading that I might be blind to. And if they can open my eyes to it, I am more than happy to accept that information in. And if it helps me, and I will add it into my repertoire. All right, so we got a new 4 hour that's just popped up right now. This is a 4 hour forecaster. Again, this is an exclusive indicator for trading with Adam. Let me just break down what each means. So this is technically the 4 hour close from the previous 4 hour. This is considered cheap. This is considered extremely cheap. Then you have expensive above, and then really expensive here. So if you just had that, let's say, how would you use it? Well, simple. If price is anywhere here, the probability is it's considered cheap and it will tend to go back up here. If it's up here, it's considered expensive and it's probable it will come down. Now, it's not a predictor, it's not magic. It's just giving you, it's like on your chart, just giving you a map of zones of, oh, okay, this is cheap, this is expensive. How is the market dealing with that today? Is it going to push down here and totally break through everything and trend strong down? Or is it not? If if I was lying, if I said that to you right now, I'll be lying to you that I know which way it's going. I don't. I just read probabilities. Probability is right now, with this being gray, that being gray, that being green, we probably won't go down that far. Let's see. See, I'm looking at my here. Let me check in on the Discord, see how everybody's doing there. Let's see, let me see something. Mm. So let's see. All right, guys, I am leaning to short now. I'm looking for an entry. Why? TPO went from green to gray. This is gray. From green to gray. This is from gray to red. Will it close there? I don't know. These are red. That's red. The only thing I don't like is that these are green. If that turned to pink, that'd be even better, but that doesn't influence my entries. If you've noticed, we've been stuck around my level zone. So this blue box here, it's a level zone. Right there. And if we look back to the way I write my plan, right? If we can't, so we broke this once, right? That's how we got to here. Then we came back. If we stall out here, right, and cannot stay above this area, then shorts are in play. But if we can't break back through, then if this continues and touches here, goes up, touches here, goes up, touches, I'm gonna be looking low. I'm just waiting for my other surge, my indicator to match that thinking. Why? Because the surge is a way that I read value. Let's see. All right, it's 10:05. We should be getting some action. The Discord. Anybody's in the log here? Anybody long yet? I knew it. I was. Yeah, Discord people are long. Let's go. All right. You know what I don't like? I don't like that the surge has not given us like a red surge yet. Yeah, that's the only thing that is holding me out of any trade. Because, you know, yeah, yeah, yeah. No. Sorry, guys. I made my level here, so it's a little sticky. Yeah, it's a little sticky. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My bad. I mean, for that ATR to be in this zone, yikes. There's fighting going on here. I just knew. Oh, this is a patience thing. Yeah. I mean, I think this is just I guess not the resting, but con the first stop in the continuation from the one that started at around 9. I just get that hunch, but I don't think it's going very far. Now, that doesn't mean I don't think anybody can get 100 points. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying like the two 300-point screamers. Ooh, okay. Now we got some movement. Now we got some movement. Let's see what happens. And it just came right back. That's nice. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, if we break oh, look at this. Hold on. We got to break here. What is this? I'm gonna put a level here. Uh, it's yeah, I put the link on in the talk chat thing. What's the matter, man? You missed my face? I got my Jets green sweater going on. No, no, I'm not wearing Jets gear on this. Listen, listen. One thing I know about the Jets, we ain't beating nobody. Not on purpose. Um, alright, so I drew this yellow level here. This is important. Uh, goes with the game plan. If we can break above this area here, I think we have somewhat we can pop up to about another 20 points, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff in between here and breaking above. So let's see what the market wants to do. Let's check back in. I would really love a Gabby button or something right about now. The Gabby buttons are like this. The either the see this purple one, that one failed, obviously because um our probability is low. But if a blue one or a buy signal, that's really that would really be nice right now. Screw it, I even take a sell signal, something. Not really a sell signal because of what I'm seeing here. These would have to turn off, and, and but this is case in point. See what I told you about this big surge coming? Like the market has to breathe, right? So you can't just keep pushing and pushing and pushing and then expect it just to, in 1 minute, stop and go. This could take, you know, an hour before it's ready to go, maybe two. What we got going on? All right, let's see. What I wouldn't give for a buy button right about now. Everything's working. Hmm. Ooh, okay, here we go. Now we got some action going on. N- I just, I'm not in anything yet. I'm just waiting. I like seeing that action though, and therefore that means something should be coming. Hmm. And there's, I haven't had a setup yet since open. Yeah, not a good one. Not one that I would be comfortable taking. That's yeah. Yeah. So yeah, this is gonna be a waiting day. All right, let's see what's going on here. Okay. Yeah, it's just a bunch of waiting right now. Now, why is it a bunch of waiting? Well, I mean, as you can see, there's really we've been in this area from what time is this? From open. So this is New York Open about here, right? And we've been inside this area since open. We haven't pushed up and past or below. So there's no real there's no real trade as of yet that I like to take. Right now, um, I would. be more on the longer side right now at 10:17. But other than that, I have not seen my setup entry develop since before market open, which at this, okay, this, 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 that that would have been enough for me to right here. That would have been enough for me to enter. No, wait. Now you just wait. No, he said the. All right, let's see what's happening here. All right, so it is 10:20. Been an hour since open. Give it another 10 minutes on the live if there's any action. Um, so not much to recap, but let's just recap real quick. Um, Trigger wise, the only trigger was really before open. Since then, hasn't been anything. Game plan wise, you can see we touched my possible low a day and are now uh, consolidating here. Let's see if ideally I would want to see it break above, retest, and then take a long, or push down, retest, or this might be the retest. This is push down, retest, and then just catch it on the second leg down. But until it gives me more info, there's really nothing else to do. Give it 10 more minutes. That. Okay, let's see, what does the market want to do? What can it do? Let's think of it that way. What the market can't do. Okay, you can't get out of there. You don't want to go that way. Okay, you know what? I think the short is developing. Let's see if we can find an entry in. Red. My client is red. Let's see what else wants to agree with us. We would have to bring. So it's the same box. Okay. Nothing yet. I was looking for something, but not yet. All right, we got another 6 minutes for setup to appear. If not, then we end the stream a little bit early. Let's see, we got a couple comments here. I can share comments on the thing. And pretty cool. Here. So, thank you, Julia. Thank you, Horatio. Awesome. All right. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see if we can have some action in the last 5 minutes. All right, so on this live stream, let's talk about the live stream. What's coming up. So this is the live stream here. You're gonna see exclusive indicators from trading with Adam. There will be links and everything in the bios. Also, we're gonna have guests on this, other lead traders from Adam's Discord. We're gonna have some heavy hitters, lead traders who are extremely successful. They're gonna share their insights, their charts, and what they've learned from this Discord. We're gonna meet Adam himself. He'll be on here explaining indicators, how to use them. You can see it on his channel. We'll have a link to that. And this is basically, we're gonna be a community where if you want to trade and you want to be a consistent trader, join us. We'll do it together, ups and downs. We'll make this ride together. So this way, at the end of the day, you will become a profitable trader if you're dedicated, if you stick with it, and if you follow your process. Okay, so most of the burden of being a consistent trader, I've learned, is on yourself. Learn to master yourself in addition to these skills with the help of an indicator. If you use it or not, it's up to you. Maybe it's just the knowledge of what they tell you. It's fine. Everybody trades their own way. So right now we got 3 minutes left. Let's see if anything pops up. Step one. Let's see who's in the Discord still. Ooh, Discord's full. Let's see. All right. Let's see. All right. All right. So I'm seeing the same type of movement. If you notice, we've been creeping up little by little. I'm gonna give you guys a hint. Ready? Do you see how this plot line is directly even with the zero line right here? When I see that, I'm not surprised we see this. When this starts to break either way, price will start to break either way. There we go. There we go. Now we got some movement. Let's see if we can get a setup here. Come on. Let's see. Look at that. It's like the market knew. 1 minute left. Let's make some moves. So now let's see. Remember, still got to be patient. I know it looks great. You see a candle. If you're in, congratulations. If not, no worries. Let it come back. All right, back. Well, price is moving now. Good to see. Let's see if price accepts here. Oh, this is a good sign. Let's see if this stays here. Yeah, I will. If this can stay above here, that's a very bullish. Very bullish. It hasn't been able to stay yet, but if it can, Come on. Very bullish. All right, so last time price was here, shot down like a rocket. Let's see if New York is gonna follow the same way or say, nah, we got what we needed. Ready to take this up to 795. Maybe it'll be right back. Where's that? Let's see, anything. All right, so what am I looking for here? Well, right now this is considered the expensive box here. If I was going to enter, it would have to prove to me it can stay within this box in order for me to enter from there up. If not, next level would be here. If it can prove to me that it can hold here. So again, if it stall here, go long. Stall here, go long. Even if it comes back to here, stall here, go long. All right, looks like I won't be a part of that party anytime soon. Gotta wait for the next 15-minute candle. It's about 8 minutes away. Away. All right. So let's talk about little psychology and mindset, right? Obviously, I would have loved to been in this trade. But again, if you follow your process, my process didn't show me an entry point. Not that I was comfortable enough even for 1 micro. So that tells me if I couldn't even put 1 micro in, then I just didn't like what I was seeing, and I have to be okay with that, which I am. If I miss a trade today, so what? I'd rather be zero than in the red. Because what I've learned is trading is not about what you do in a certain day, it's what you do over time. Because each day, win or loss, you want them to add up by the end of the week and the month to more than one particular day. Now, sometimes you can get a huge day, and that's, that might be your month, depending how you trade. Sometimes, like days like today, um, you did your job. You secured your capital. You didn't do any unnecessary risk, and you just lived to trade another day. Now, today's not over. It's only 10:40, but we got some action here that in the next 5 minutes, that'll be the next 15-minute candle. Let's see if there'll be an opportunity to take some points from the next 15-minute candle. I'm looking long. Like, the shorts are off the table for me. I'm just looking longs. Why are shorts off the table? Very simple. Uh, where we are right now, based off of my game plan here, okay, we're still in this area. So yeah, can it retest here? Of course. Um, but I'm actually expecting price to reach here. Let's see if we can get there. We were almost there yesterday. Didn't quite make it. Let's see if we can do it today. Maybe you just needed that little dip down before it rockets up. Let's see. Let's see what's going on in Discord. Anybody catch this portion of the loan? Anybody set up? Neither did I. It's okay. Oh, this is just crazy. All right, we got 2 minutes and 30 seconds till the next 15-minute candle. Now, why wait for the next 15-minute candle? Um, I don't like entering towards the end of a 15-minute candle. Like, for example, let's say it's a bullish candle. There's always a little drop back before the end. Or if you're short, it'll pull back the other way. The best is when you can catch him in the beginning of them and you got the direction right. Ooh, man. He is getting that direction right. So what's direction telling us right now? Right now, everything's telling us bullish, bullish, bullish. It's not going to be a smooth ride, but it's possible because we are climbing the ladder. As I say, you see how price is pushing up again? We're definitely climbing the ladder. I think that's a new, no, it's not. The new high for New York. I don't think the high is set in yet, so let's see. Let's see what's going on here. All right, let's see. All right, so we stalled there. We're so expensive. Okay, new 15-minute candle is on. Let's see. All right, let's see. Something. That was nice. All right, let's see. Another. I'm gonna give another couple minutes. Okay, so now that we broke out of that little consolidation area, now it's about waiting for the setup to appear again. So what does that mean? That most likely means you can allow price to come down, stall somewhere, and then come back up. But now it's just a waiting game. A giant waiting game. This is what it's about. It's about being patient. That's what it's about. And now these patients came over years of being in the mentorship, speaking with Adam and one of our lead traders, DC, uh, about really fine tuning, understanding how to read the market, and combining that with entry setup. And once I found those two skills, you know, I became extremely patient. Don't get me wrong, I'm human. There's obviously times I just want to enter. Like now, like I'm itching to enter now. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Look at that. Like, but again, do you know if price is gonna pump up at that specific moment? No. So I have to depend on my process. Why? Because my process has actually helped me, um, you know, for the last 50 so days be very profitable. So you gotta stick with it. It's funny too. Yeah, I know it's not glamorous. I know it's not, huge, huge numbers or anything, but this is how I trade. See what we got here. Got some messages going on. On YouTube. Go here. Hang on, let's see. All right, so this is what I was talking about here. The market's eventually going to have to breathe, and we might be seeing the beginning of it here. I would love it for it to come down to the bottom of the expensive gray box where it is right now. And I would really love to see a red surge on the bottom here. Like completely red, like these columns would be underneath this line in red. That's what I'm waiting for. If I don't get it, I don't get it. Mm, yeah, I think we're gonna push up now. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is a bullish reversal. All right, we got 4 people watching. Awesome. Thank you guys for commenting. Thank you for tuning in. If you could throw a like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. This will also be simulcast on the Trading with Adam channel eventually. There we go. There we go. That's what I want to see. Give me a little rejection. There. Give me a little bit of that rejection. Looking right here. Structure high. Yeah, so we went from a new structure low to new structure high. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Now, yeah, you can see the 15-minute candle here. It's this. Golly, 9 o'clock. From here, we've been just going straight in a straight line ever since. By the way, you could see how the indicators at 9 o'clock, they called it right here. And it's been steadily here, retest, and back in here. Let's see what we got. What's he said on Discord? Let's check in. Auto box. Yeah, all right. Let's see what happens at 11 o'clock. If it's gonna be a while before my setup comes around again. You've had a lot of bullish session control today. A lot of bullish session control today. I just couldn't find my way in. I didn't see my opportunity. Maybe next time. Let's see what the next handle has in store. Mix. I wonder if we can get back to about 580, 570. See if there'll be an opportunity there to get in. Let's see. See if the bulls want to take a break for a little bit. Nope. Take trade up here. All right, so 11:02. The Bulls are definitely in control of this session. I'm gonna have to wait probably later, not even later in the day. I think I'm done for the day to see if there's any opportunity. Right now, I just saw no opportunity that I liked, that I was comfortable enough to get in uh, to a trade. So I'm okay with that. I'm gonna walk away neutral, meaning not red, not green. And then check in the afternoon, see if there's any trade opportunity. If not, then I will look to trade tomorrow. All right, so this was the first live trading. Um, and I wish it would have been more exciting, like especially at 9 o'clock, to get into this nice, beautiful long here, which If anybody did, that's from 422 to, I mean, that's a 200 point. That's a 200 point long if you were able to get in from here. Again, you can see the power of these indicators. I mean, it was cheap at that time. You had the heavy button just coming off of bearish round, and it just took off. Unfortunately, I could not find an opportunity that I liked enough to get into it. But because I didn't want to put my capital at risk. Anyway, thank you so much, and looking to see everybody tomorrow.